What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Charlie Morningstar from Hazbin Hotel. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the eyes. So we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's draw 2 points, one on the left and then one on the right. Now on the left side I want to curve the eye like an oval. We're going to go up towards the top, come down the side. Now I just want to round this out and pull that back in toward the inside point. So coming down and then bending that in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right, going up toward the top of the eye. Come down the side, round at the bottom, and then bend that in. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw an oval, going up, down, and then up. Let's add a thick eyelid. Starting from the outside, we're going to go higher in the middle, and bend that back down towards the inside of the eye. Let's line that up on the right, and we'll fill the eyelids in black. Let's add a point along the outside of the eye. We're going to go out and then back in. And we'll fill those 2 points in black. And then we're going to finish off the eyes with a trim along the bottom. Starting down here, going out, come around, and just taper that in towards the inside of the eye. And then again, we're just going to fill those areas in black. Now underneath each eye, I'm going to draw a curve for the mouth, coming down and then up. In the center, let's draw a small oval for the nose and fill that in black. Let's open up the mouth, starting back on the left side, curves down and then in toward the center point. Then it's out and then up towards the right. Now on the outside of the mouth, we're going to draw 2 circles for the cheeks. So starting underneath the eyelid, come around, then up underneath the corner of the mouth. Let's add the top row of teeth. Starting from the outside, we're going to draw a fang, angles up and in. And we'll curve the center. Let's go down towards the bottom and add a curve for the tongue. And then we'll fill the center of the mouth in black. Now we move to the side of the eyes and draw the lower half of the head. Starting on the left side, I'm just going to curl this around the cheek. Now I'm just going to curl that up to create a point. Let's curl this hair, coming down and then out. Now I want to continue underneath that curl, coming down and in towards the point in the chin. Let's curl this out and up towards the right, and then bend that in towards the eyelash. Let's go to the outside of the left eye. I'm going to curve the head, going up and then in towards the middle. Now I want to add a curl, so I'm going to start by curving this out towards the left, go up toward the top, round this out. Now come in toward that point, over the right eye, and then curl that up and out. Let's add 2 points. Pull this in, bend this back up and out. I'm just going to curl this in and up, around the top, and then come down toward the side of that swirl. Let's draw on the side of the hair. Starting up here, bend this up, come around the side, come down towards the bottom and just tuck that up and in underneath the head. Let's go underneath that curl, going out, come down and just tuck that up underneath. Now just up above the eyes, we're going to add 2 curves to the eyebrows, going up and then down. Now I want to go back and add some texture to the hair. We're going to start up here, add a curve, going up, come around, then down toward the bottom. Let's add another one. Stepping down, curves around, down, and then in. Let's add 1 curve over on the right. Let's add 1 along the top, going up, come down, and then out. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with a bow tie. Starting underneath the chin, let's start with a circle, and then fill that in black. From the outside, angle the tie coming down and out, and go all the way up underneath the chin. And we'll fill the outside of the bow tie in black. Let's draw the inside of the collar. Starting underneath the tie on the left, bend this down and in towards the center. Go to the right, do the same thing. And I'll add 2 buttons down the center, one on top and one along the bottom. Now let's go to the side of the tie. We're going to draw on the collar of the jacket. Angle is down and out. Come down and in. Let's draw the bottom half of the collar, coming down with a short line, and then back down and in toward the center. Now along the side of the collar, we're just going to curve the body, coming in towards the hips, and then bend that out. Let's go back to the center, come straight down the middle. Now I'm going to split this with a curve coming out towards the left and then towards the right. Let's add the bottom of the shirt. On the left side, curve this down and up. Step down in the center, we'll draw a straight line going across. And then in the middle of that line, draw a straight line coming down between the legs. Now I want to round out the feet, starting with the left side, from the center line, coming down and then up toward the toe. Do the same thing on the right. Now back on the left side, we're going to curve the foot. We're going to go up and then bend that down towards the heel. Do the same thing on the right side. Let's add a toe cap. From the top, curving this in and then down. And we'll fill the toe caps in black. Let's go all the way back up to the top. Starting on the left side, draw a straight line coming down. And we're just going to bend that out on top of the foot. Now I want to go back up to the top and draw in the arms. We're going to start from the top of the body, step down, angle is down, and then out towards the wrist on both sides. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, I'm going to come down and bend that up around that bracket. Step down, bend the second finger. Now the third finger, I'm going to bend this around, come up, and then in towards the shoulder. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to add in those boxy shoulders. From the left, angle is up and out, and then angle is up and in underneath the head. Let's separate the cuff. From the thumb, bend this up and then out. Now in behind the body, we're going to draw those 2 sections of hair, starting with the top one, starting out here, bend this around, in behind the arm. Let's continue that curve in towards the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curve this around and in towards the body. Let's draw in the bottom, starting out here, bend this in between the hand and the body, coming out in behind the leg. Let's continue out and then down toward the tip. Now it's going to bend this back up, in behind the hand, and then just tuck that up underneath. Let's add that same texture inside each of these sections. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Charlie Morningstar from Hazbin Hotel. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.